Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. As of my last knowledge update in October 2023, numpy itself is a Python library and does not have a direct equivalent in Kotlin. However, there are libraries that offer similar functionalities in Kotlin, such as Kotlin's Comma, which is a library for numerical computing. Here's a brief tutorial on how to use comma for numerical operations in Kotlin, similar to what numpy offers in Python. Getting started with comma. 1. Setting up your Kotlin project *. To use comma in your Kotlin project, you will need to set up a Kotlin project using Gradle or Maven. Below is an example of how to set it up using Gradle. Add the following dependency to your build.gradle file. 2. Basic operations *. After setting up your project, you can start using comma for numerical operations. Below are some examples. Example code. Here's a simple Kotlin program demonstrating various numerical operations using comma. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing comma *. The import comma and import comma extension statements bring in all necessary functions and data types from the comma library. 2. Creating arrays *. A 1D array, vector, is created using AND array, double array of. A 2D array, matrix, is created using AND array, array of. 3. Basic operations *. You can perform operations like addition and multiplication directly on arrays. The plus operator adds a scalar value to each element of the vector. The * operator multiplies each element of the matrix by a scalar value. 4. Matrix multiplication *. The dot function is used to perform matrix multiplication. 5. Transposing a matrix *. The T function transposes the matrix. 6. Calculating determinants *. The det function calculates the determinant of a matrix. Conclusion. Comma provides a powerful way to perform numerical computations in Kotlin, similar to numpy in Python. With comma, you can handle arrays efficiently and perform various mathematical operations, including linear algebra. Make sure to check the comma GitHub repository, https://github.com/konifer/comma, for more advanced features and updates.